Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wondered how to make some extra cash in your spare time, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to spill the beans on exactly how I've been consistently earning $100 a day without even breaking a sweat. So, grab a seat, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into it. I know, we all have those moments when we wish we could have a bit more financial freedom. Whether it's to treat ourselves, pay off debts, or save up for that dream vacation, an extra $100 a day can make a world of difference, am I right? Now, let me take you back to where it all began. A while ago, I found myself in a similar situation, wanting some extra income without sacrificing my free time. And trust me, I tried a lot of different methods. Some worked, some were just a waste of time. But then, I stumbled upon the game changer. Are you ready to uncover the secrets? Buckle up, because I'm about to reveal the 3 proven strategies that have been filling my pockets with an extra $100 every single day. Strategy 1. Freelancing. First up, we have freelancing. If you've got a skill, be it writing, graphic design, coding, or even voiceovers, there's a high demand for freelance services online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are goldmines for clients looking for talented individuals like you. The best part? You get to set your own prices, work on projects you're passionate about, and do it all in your spare time. With consistency and quality work, you'll have clients coming back for more and referring you to others. Strategy 2. Online tutoring. Moving on to strategy number 2, online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable about a certain subject or skill, why not share that knowledge and get paid for it? Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and even YouTube are fantastic places to start. Remember, there's always someone out there eager to learn what you know. Plus, the flexibility of scheduling sessions means you can easily fit this into your spare time. Strategy 3. Affiliate marketing. Last but not least, strategy number 3, affiliate marketing. This one's all about leveraging the power of recommendation. You promote products or services you genuinely love, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's like getting rewarded for sharing your favorite things with your audience. And with the right strategies, your earnings can steadily climb to that magical $100 mark and beyond. So there you have it, my friends. 3 tried and true methods that have helped me consistently make $100 a day in my spare time. Whether you dive into freelancing, spread your knowledge through online tutoring, or dip your toes into the world of affiliate marketing, remember that success comes with dedication and perseverance. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. I've got plenty more tips and tricks to share. Until next time, keep hustling and keep smiling.